Gracie with WTI, and I'm here to show you how CARON Doucet has made the dreaded griddle cleaning task so much easier with their ultimate griddle set. So we hadn't used our griddle in over a year, so as you can see, it was in such rough shape. So we love that this is a complete care bundle. So no more buying multiple different products. Everything you need to clean, restore, and protect your griddle surface is right here. So since our griddle needed a little extra TLC, we used a little bit extra of this scrub than recommended. So this is made with coarse salt from the Dead Sea, 100% coconut oil and essential oils, and this thing did a fantastic job to remove all that built up substance that was on our griddle. And since we saw such good results, we ended up getting a little bit crazy and decided to remove all the existing seasoning using a wire brush drill bit to get it down to its bare form. And then we used the cast-style soap to get it nice and clean before we re-seasoned it. We ended up using the seasoning about 4 times to get it nice and even, and then used just a thin layer of this oil to help lock in that seasoning and protect it from future rust. We have been so impressed with how this set has transformed our griddle, and that's our point of view.